coming up on Uthando Nesthembu. So which means this coming Friday we'll be watching about uMaNgwabe. uMaNgwabe saying that she is at peace. She is saying that she is at peace now that she had asked for a divorce. She's even telling the producers that her daughter uMawande does not understand ukubana isicathulo sishisa yena. She is the one who is in the hot seat. So she can't take it anymore. That's why she is getting divorced. And uMawande was even asking bana, sure, are you leaving my dad? And she said yes. And uMawande seems not to understand bana, why is your mom leaving. So she had to explain it to her that she is leaving because she wants to, not because of number 5. So this coming Friday will be on top of uMaNgwabe and her asking for a divorce. Do not forget to watch Uthando Nesthembu tonight. Uthando Nesthembu uncut tonight at 8 p.m. Indaba ingoMaNgwabe tonight. We'll hear ukubana ugeli yena uthini. Obviously kusazophuma nawo so at this point uMaNgwabe has had enough. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on Uthando Nesthembu uncut, while still we are waiting for season 9 of Uthando Nesthembu. That was mentioned that it will come somewhere next year. So right now we are just keeping up with the uncut stories. Yes guys, do not forget to watch Uthando Nesthembu uncut tonight at 8 p.m.